Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your exact TI-84 model and backing up data. This protects programs before any reset. Once done, connect the calculator to your computer with TI Connect CE or write important values down on paper. Make sure batteries are fresh so power won't interrupt the process. Now power off, then turn the calculator back on to verify it still shows test mode. This confirms you're ready to attempt the exit steps. Next, perform a controlled RAM reset to clear exam flags. Press second then MEM to open the memory menu, navigate to reset, and choose the option to reset all RAM. Preserve flash to avoid deleting the OS. Confirm the reset when prompted. This clears temporary exam/test mode markers without updating firmware. Once the calculator finishes, it reboots. Check the home screen and catalog to confirm normal operation. If test mode persists, proceed to the updated firmware method. For stubborn test mode cases, update or reinstall the operating system using TI Connect CE on your computer. Download the correct OS for your model and send it over USB. Once the OS transfer completes, perform the RAM reset again and power cycle the calculator by briefly removing batteries. Make sure to verify all normal functions and program access. If test mode remains, try a full OS reinstall. If that fails, contact Texas Instruments support or your exam supervisor for hardware-level assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.